Hello everyone, Akash here and I welcome you all to Vuex tutorial series, and in this video we are going to deploy our shopping cart that we have made, okay, to GitHub pages. Okay, so in our previous video we have completed coding our cart component, okay, and so the coding portion from our end is done. Now we just need to deploy the code to GitHub pages. So let's make the build. Okay, so command that we need to run is uh, let me first get into the right directory. Okay, npm run build. Okay, so as you can see, it is building for production. Okay, so by the time it's building for production, let's go and create the repository. Okay, so I will be publishing it to username.github.io. Okay, so we have to make the repository with the name username.github.io. Okay, create repository. Okay, so now we get the bunch of commands that we need to run. Okay, so cool, our build has also completed. Yeah, as you can see, we have got a distribution folder dist, under which we have our static folder that consists of css, images and javascript files. Okay, these are all in minified version. Okay, as you can see. Okay, index.html. Okay, so the next step that we need to do is get into the dist folder. Okay, now initialize it as an empty git repository with the help of command git init. Okay, now let's add the file, all the files, git add dot. Cool, now we have to commit it. First commit message. Okay, so it's been committed. Now we need to add the origin, this command. And the final step is to push it to the master branch. Okay, so cool, our code has been pushed to master branch. Let's have a look. Let's refresh the page. Okay, so cool, we have our static folder and index.html. Let's go to settings. Okay, so here we can see our site is published at https://username.github.io. Okay, so guys, it has automatically taken the code from the master branch, okay, and published it to this URL. Okay, but let us suppose, like, if you want to like publish it to some other repository like simple shopping cart, okay, or simple cart, vuex cart. Okay, then here it will show something like none, initially none. You will have to manually select the master branch. Okay, and then your code will get published to that repo. Okay, then it will be like username slash the repository name. Okay, so let's have a look at yeah, so as you can see, uh, our code has been deployed. Okay, our site has been deployed to this URL. Okay, GitHub pages. Yeah, it looks cool. Let's try adding the items. Yeah, removes. Okay, yeah, cool. Card component, the summary goes here, the card goes here. Let's check out. Okay, good job, your order is placed successfully. Okay, so guys, here on the when the page gets reload, it shows 404 file not found. Okay, so let's see how we can fix this issue. So to fix this issue, let me clear it off. Okay, so if I talk about our code, okay, so we need to have reload over here. Okay, so that deployment was not working with uh, as our we are using our mode history over here. So just remove this. Okay, you can either remove this or you can add hash over there. Okay, because by default it takes hash. Okay, so now let's try making build once again. Npm run build. Okay, so guys, I will drop a link in the description box so that you can read it from there. Okay, about the Vue.js deployment and other stuffs like this route history mode and hash mode. Okay, and guys, I have also made a video in which I have deployed Vue.js project to Netlify, and there is no such fuss of like of the modes, history mode or hash mode. Okay, it works with the history mode and it gets simply deployed, and you can, and I will drop that link in the description box so that you can just check that video out. Okay, so cool. Our distribution folder is here. Okay, so now let's quickly perform the steps. Get into the distribution folder. Okay, so this time it's our second commit. Okay, and finally git push. Okay, cool. Okay, so friends, the changes have not been reflected yet because yeah, you need to do the hard refresh. Okay, so now you can identify the change. Like here we have got this hash. Okay, so yeah, cool, our website has been deployed. Okay, now let's try once again adding the item to the cart. Okay, so now let's try checkout. Okay, your order is placed successfully. Yeah, cool. Now as you can see, we didn't get any error 404 file not found. Okay, our page simply it refreshed. Okay, reload basically. We got our empty cart. Okay, you can try reloading the page, any page. Okay, so the only thing that we got is we had to change that history mode to hash mode. Okay, so yeah, one more thing I wanted to tell you, like when you check out. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you a flow. Like when you check out, here we are not using any APIs, so that's why I have simply reloaded the page. Okay, and our data got like it got our data got emptied. Okay, like it got erased basically because we have not stored it anywhere, or the data is not coming from the API on the mounting of the page. Okay, so what you can do, like if you are also using the API, uh, when you do the checkout, when you do the payment, you hit that payment API at the back end. Okay, so you also have a view cart API. Okay, any name you can give it, and that API gives you we can say an updated cart. Okay, um, the updated cart and that view API gives you the updated cart. Okay, that you can render, that you can show, with the help of which you can show your list. Okay, so when you will perform the payment, okay, then that view cart API that you will have to hit on the page mounting when the mounting is done. Okay, so that view cart API will give you an empty cart. So okay, so automatically you will have this your cart is empty page over here. Okay, you do not need to do window.location.reload at that time. Okay, so cool. I guess the flow and the code and everything, the deployment portion is clear to you all. So guys, this is it for this video. Okay, I will catch you up all in the next video with some another series. Okay, so till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.